Can you stop lying behavior in a relationship? Well, it depends on the type of liar that you have. Okay, so some people lie just for the sake of lying. Those are called pathological liars.
Yeah.
Will your relationship work out with these people? Not if they don't see a psychiatrist.
All right, but let's not forget the manipulative liar.
Yeah.
All right, so the manipulative liar, they're going to do and say whatever they need to do and say to get whatever they want. Now, can these people change? Yes. Will they change? Probably not. Not without extensive therapy, that is.
Facts.
You know? And let's not forget that these people, a lot of these people who are manipulative liars, are really dangerous. So if you got a manipulative liar in your midst, danger, Will Robinson, danger.
Gee, listen, you know, huh? All right, get out fast.
Blow on the window. Help. But make sure you write it backwards so they can read it. If you got somebody like that in your midst, a pathological or manipulative liar, please
Get out by any means necessary. That's the point of this whole thing.
Yes.
Get out by any means necessary.
Yeah.
Okay, up next, the protective liar. The protective liar will go to any means to protect a secret. This could be both good or bad. They can range from sweet, loyal, and protective of you and your secret to batshit crazy.
Wow.
Okay? Should they be changed? Well, that depends on their level of protectiveness and what the protectiveness they are protecting. You get what I'm saying? Because, oh boy, can they change? Yeah. With therapy.
Yeah. Protective liar is somebody else, you know, because they have dual sides to them.
Bro.
They could be protecting something that you told them, or they could be protecting that thing that they know that if you found out, it would ruin everything.
Facts.
Like a side family.
Or they could be protecting the fact they killed somebody in cold blood and they got away with it. You get what I'm saying? You never know. You never know. You gotta watch out for these people, okay? You gotta watch out for those, okay?
So let's not forget about the tactful liar, right? The tactful liar is someone who's gonna lie because they don't want to hurt your feelings. Now, if you're gonna have a liar in your midst and in your relationship, that's probably the best liar to have, right? Plus if lying makes you feel good, is it really all that bad? You ask them, baby, have I gained any weight? And they say, no, you look amazing. And and they know you gained a little weight. They try to be tactful.
They try to be tactful. Baby, you think I look old? You look amazing. You look just as the day I met you. I mean, is that really harmful?
Right. It's tactful, and then it makes you feel good.
Right. So if you gotta lie,
listen, yes.
I mean, that's kind of like the best kind of lie.
Right.
I don't recommend lying.
Right.
Okay, last but not worst.
Yes.
The avoidant liar. The avoidant liar lies because they want to avoid being uncomfortable. An avoidance liar lies for two reasons. One, they don't want to hurt your feelings.
True.
And two, because they are afraid of your reaction.
Yes.
Aww, they're both sweet and selfish.
At the same time.
At the same damn time. Because the underlying reason that they are lying is the fact that they themselves are going to be uncomfortable.
True.
Either way.
True. Yes. And if you had to be with a liar, I would say choose an avoidant liar or a tactful liar. Because those other liars, let me tell you.
Yeah, okay.
You know what I'm saying? The other liars.
I give you go with that.
Listen.
Yeah.
Liars a lot of times can be in multiple categories.
Yeah.
You can have an exaggerated liar who's a manipulative person who understates.
Sure.
And you know they try to
The pathological.
pathological.
Yeah.
So they can move in and out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Those kind, they're on the extremes.
Sociopath.
Yes.
Narcissistic.
And we're not giving pass. We're not trying to give a pass to the avoidant liar or to the tactful liar.
No.
Because they said something to make you feel good. The reality is it's still a lie.
Yeah.
But if you had to be with a liar.
If you had to be with a liar.
Be with one who's going to be tactful and who's not going to hurt your feelings too much.
And one that we can turn it around if you called him out on it.
Exactly. Yes. And right there, guys, we're going to leave it right there because I don't know if we're going to go too far. If there was something you heard, you like, you dislike, whatever it was, drop it in the comments box below. We want to hear from you.
Yes, indeed. And if you could, like.
And share.
And whatsoever you do.
Whatsoever.
That's Southern. You understand? Mm-hmm. Whatsoever you do. Don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Until next time, guys.
Peace.